Hello everyone, I am RK Expert. Let's dive into today's science. Welcome back my YouTube channel RK Finance and Investment Blueprints, where we make finance fun and easy. Hi, serious ready for your daily dose of marketing and wisdom. Let's go starts. Before continuing our next journey, here is the quick pause. Don't forget to hit the like if you enjoy this video and share your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, each and everything. RK Expert Blueprints. Next, drop comments in the below your biggest takeaway for so.
So let us now discuss access, how everyday Americans can get at this AI-powered universal basic income before the rest of the nation. The speedy path is known as the Alpha Citizen Pathway. It's not advertised on any government website, but it's in the Liberty Core sandbox. If you're in a pilot state Arizona, New Hampshire, Illinois, Georgia, or Oregon, you might have already gotten an invisible eligibility code via your tax portal. What does it do? It gives you priority entry to the Liberty Core app, a private beta app wherein users can connect identity, banking, and work information all certified through biometric blockchain. After verification, the app conducts an earnings simulation in real time. It looks at your life history, gaps in employment, credit risk, insurance coverage, even student loans. Then this is the surprising bit: it estimates your raw economic contribution and gives you a human capital score. This score controls how fast and how much of the UBI pool you get. Yes, you heard correctly. This is not a blanket $50,000 to all adults. It's dynamically tiered. If your human capital score is low, you may see as little as $22,000 per year. But if you're in a strategic career field such as robotics repair, quantum programming, or mental health, you could get up to $78,000 per year, tax-free, and the scoring isn't random. Liberty Core draws on decades of labor data, thousands of market simulations, and government actuarial statistics to refine every payment. Here's the additional layer: you can shape your score. One minor group of customers found that they could increase their payout level more than 30% in just 60 days by doing economic citizenship tasks within the Liberty Core app, such as community training, emergency supply chain volunteering, or hosting sensor data hubs. That implies the system is not passive income, it is gamified economics. It punishes the activities the AI views as essential to the future of America. This turns the whole idea of income on its head. Work is not a job anymore, it's an algorithmic alignment. Now, if you're still paying attention, you likely want the actual edge. So here's what you need to know next. The window is closing. The Alpha Citizen Pathway closes on September 9, 2025. Then, UBI access will return to a typical rollout: slower, stricter, and more surveillance. You won't receive the dynamic tiering. You won't get Gnosis ID fast tracks, and you'll probably be taxed. You've got approximately 4 months to get the best possible AI income tier for the coming decade. So what do you do now? 3 steps. Step 1. Log into your IRS account and look for any Liberty pre-qualifications. It will probably appear in your 2024 return summary. Step 2. Establish a verified wallet on Project Gnosis's pre-IPO identity portal. It is still invite-only, but we have a list of qualified on-ramps reserved just for our subscribers. Step 3. Construct your AI-proof portfolio. That's what we're going to talk about next. Let's change gears now into full investment offense mode. In the past 90 days, our team monitored all private, institutional, and foreign investments into Liberty Core adjacent sectors. What we learned is eye-opening. Of the $417 billion of early-stage capital invested since January 2025, more than 71% went into only 12 companies. We've referred to them as the Liberty 12. They are NeuroQuint, AI Neural Finance Analytics, NextNet Grid, Decentralized Smart Energy Routers, Astrachain, Privacy First Distributed Identity FarmX AI, Drone Fleets for Precision Food Security Vox All Systems, Public Database Real-Time Sentiment Mapping DireScan, Autonomous Medical Diagnostic Systems, Echelon Metals, Rare Earth Provider for AI Semiconductors Quasari, Photonic Computing Hardware for nodes of Liberty Core Zentra Space, Orbital Data Relay Systems have Invest, AI Managed Investment funds polymorph studios, generative media licensing under Liberty Cornosis identity, biometric access layer for delivery of UBI. These 12 businesses are not merely investments, they're the cornerstones of the AI finance operating system. The richest investors in the world aren't wondering if these firms are going to dominate, they're wondering when. And you know what's quicker than soon? Pre-positioning. Getting in ahead of the retail crowd even knowing these companies exist. We've already started tracking their cap tables. Our estimates show that if each company hits Phase 3 adoption by Q for 2025, early holders could see a minimum of 20 to XY, with the highest estimates topping 60x by 2027. You are not late. In fact, this message might be the last chance to be early.
Hi, thanks for watching this video. If you learned something new, smash that like button and subscribe for more updates. Don't forget to share your friends and family. It's interesting topic. That's all. See you next video. Stay away, stay invested. Hope this helped. Comment your comments, questions and everything. I will cover them in next video. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share.